In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to write an email with HubSpot. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to streamline your email creation process, this guide will walk you through each step to leverage AI efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the HubSpot trial guide. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL for your HubSpot trial account. Once there, make sure you're logged in so you have access to all necessary features. This is your starting point for accessing the full suite of tools you'll need. Now that you're in the HubSpot trial guide, your next step is to click on Marketing. This tab is the gateway to all things related to your marketing efforts within HubSpot. You'll find it conveniently located within the main navigation bar. By selecting this, you're opening up the realm of possibilities for creating email campaigns, managing contacts, and more. Once you've accessed the Marketing section, shift your focus to the Email option. This is your primary tool for crafting and sending emails out to your contacts. Click on Email to be directed to a new page where you'll have a range of features laid out. It's here that you can start drawing on HubSpot's capabilities to reach your audience effectively. Now let's move on to the exciting part, the email creation process itself. On this new page, look for the Create Email button. This is usually prominently positioned to make reaching this function as intuitive as possible. By clicking Create Email, you're stepping into a new stage where you can actually begin drafting your message, customizing it to suit your needs. After clicking on Create Email, you'll be prompted to specify the type of email you want to generate. For the purposes of utilizing AI, go ahead and click on Automated. Automation is a key feature that allows HubSpot users to scale their outreach efforts with minimal manual intervention. By selecting Automated, you open up functionalities designed to send emails based on triggers or schedules, enhancing both efficiency and effectiveness. And there you have it. You've now learned how to navigate through HubSpot to use AI for writing emails. From accessing the trial guide, exploring the Marketing tab, managing email functionalities, and finally diving into the creation of automated messages, each of these steps sets the foundation for crafting powerful AI-assisted emails tailored to your audience. With these tools at your disposal, you're well equipped to make the most out of HubSpot's email functionalities. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!